Well, here in the shop today, it's kind of a slow day. We don't have a whole lot going on. So, but we're just changing this seal up here on this van. And pretty easy to seal to get to. You gotta pull your strut, lower the suspension here, and change it all out. Pull your CV. It's over there. Jory's been doing this. I've just been sitting in the office nursing an injury. That's what I do. What you doing, Jory? Tell us what you're doing.
I'm putting in a CV axle seal transmission. Just found the right socket that fits around it. Just gonna reach it right here. Tap it in there.
What's that? You're gonna give it a reach around? I think you got it in there, eh?
Wait, I gotta go on the other side a little more.
You gotta hit the top a little bit. Okay, we got our seal in there now, nice and straight. It didn't get cockeyed or nothing. Goes, the socket way works really good. So yeah, it's all clean, ready to go back together. Now Jory's just gonna clean the CV, give it a good polishing. It's also a good practice to just take a little bit of emery cloth and just clean up your sealing surface if you have a groove. This one's actually in really good shape, but we'll just take a wire wheel and just clean all that gunk out of there, just in case the depth is a little different. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay. Nah, don't worry about that side. You're gonna copper coat that side anyways.